Hi, welcome back to Nordic Nomad. My name is Mike. We're out looking for pallets because we are out of them, obviously, otherwise we wouldn't be looking for them, clearly. And I'm not really sure where to look, so I'm just gonna go back where I found the last ones and see if I can find something in the process. It is a cold, brisk day, and it's been raining, so anything we find is probably gonna be soaked in water. So that's a bonus. It's a big bonus day. And we are onwards, my friends. Let's go. As long as you're looking in the right spots, you can pretty easily find these pallets, surprisingly, and they usually don't cost anything. I just found this whole stack and I walked inside to make sure it was okay, and they're cool with it, so we're gonna load these up and see how many we can get. And as easy as that, just like that, bam, 3 of them on there. I feel like they were watching me that entire time. I feel really self-conscious about this, but whatever. I guess that's the only downside, is I'm just like, bro, I can feel the stares through the window, because they're just like, bro, this dude's really out here with a Ford Focus with a rack on top, and he's carrying 3 pallets on top, because why not? I don't think I closed my trunk. Did I close my trunk? I don't even remember. Oh God. I know that I'm good though. I think I'm good. Okay, well, we're gonna head back now. No, it's gonna be interesting for sure, because I only got 3 so far, and that's not very many. More pallet time. Three pallets right now, and that's it, and that's not nearly enough. They're big boy pallets, don't get me wrong, but they're definitely not, they're not enough. I got so much, I need more wood, so we're gonna be trying to get out there and getting some more wood out there, hopefully, and taking care of that. So let's do it. Good morning. We're doing day 2 now. And I found some pallets that are actually a little bit nicer to fit. So these ones are fitting a lot nicer and are getting a general aesthetic going. So we're gonna continue down this line here and continuing up here, and then we're gonna insulate from here to here all the way back as well. And then we'll have the wall a little nicer. It'll just continue to build up from there. So we're making our progress one step at a time. We're getting it, just gotta keep pushing at it. So here we go. So we're going to be moving this stuff over here on this side, that's on the ground, out of the way, cleaning up some areas, probably getting the shop back, doing the stuff, you know. Put in your extension. I wish I had one of those. I think the vacuum ate too much because now it's not inhaling like it was before. So hold on. Or was it the wood? All right, let's dump her out real quick. All right, let's go back to it. So that means we've got this wall, and that wall all insulated. All we have to do is finish up closing this one and then do the rest of the wall all the way around. As you can see, there's still plenty to do and only a small amount there, but that's okay. We're going to be continuously making progress as much as we can whenever we can. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate every one of you, and until next time, stay frosty out there, and I'll see you on the flip side.